Hi, I'm Roberto Muffaletto, Director of the VASA Project and Editor of the Journal on Images and Culture. I want to welcome you to the journal, and I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about what we're doing. First of all, the journal is an open, online, and free publication. Because VASA is an international organization, this will give you a broader international audience for your manuscripts, your ideas, your arguments, and your images. We are also attempting to begin to play with the format that the online version allows us to do. First of all, we want to begin working with more video. We want the authors to create a video introduction, a video abstract, and video footnotes. Let me explain those in a moment. The introduction basically talks about who you are, what you do, what has formed your concepts and your ideas, where you're coming from basically. Secondly, the video abstract is basically just what an abstract is, except it's personalized and you're talking to your readership. And thirdly, footnotes. The concept there with footnotes is that we take what's normally done in a text base and we expand it on a more conversational mode where you're talking about not only the references you have, but also the influences, the ideas, the roots from what you're doing, and what you're trying to develop within your manuscript at this point. In doing so, we hope to engage the reader in different ways. This also demands upon you as an author to begin to rethink how you begin to construct your manuscripts, construct your arguments and your ideas in a multi-mediated way. Again, we can use audio, we can use video, we can use animation, and we can use text. Okay. Then we're using WordPress as our basic platform for the journal. WordPress is a wonderful tool, but it has limitations and restrictions. There's only so much we can do in actually the layout and design. So we're asking our authors to work within that framework and push the limits, but also be very much aware of the initial presentation design. We will work with you on this as you begin to build your manuscript. What we recommend is that people work in a word processor, do their spell checks and their editing, etc. within the word processor, and then copy and paste it into WordPress page that's created for you. And then begin to insert your audio and your videos and your images into that document. In doing so, it begins to fit the basically look and feel of the journal itself. So with that as a brief introduction, you'll find on the rest of this page guidelines for you to follow and a number of video tutorials on working with the WordPress environment, uploading images. We have a YouTube channel set up for your videos. So at first it may seem a little complicated to you, but basically once you start working, it will flow. Again, I want to welcome you to the journal, and if you have any questions, please contact us so we can work with you. Thank you.